The Rajya Sabha MP and also State President of the National People's Party, W.R. Kharlukhi, while speaking to reporters on the result of the Manipur Assembly elections of 2022, said that the NPP till now has won 9 seats, which is 5 higher than in the previous elections in Manipur. As to the alliance with the BJP, which had secured a majority in the polls, W.R. Kharlukhi stated that it is up to the party to choose its coalition partner while forming the government.
South seat nila yo skandai dengan thara yo ngidang mentampat dep yo ngiyo sipo te jagata ka song haki marba ki kila yo ai absolute majority yim don ai bano take a choice ko joki.
On the comment made by the Chief Minister of Manipur, Biren Singh, on the support of the Congress party to the NPP-led government in Meghalaya, Kharlukhi said that the MLAs cannot be Congress members since they are under suspension but are only supporting the MDA government, of which the BJP is also a partner in the coalition.
Ki kumbalong mata kita degi suspended MLA jong Congress. Tempat lah banong degi Congress malah suspend ki ka action ke Congress kan simiki. Bat ki try ka MDA. Tega BJP ko dan po aga sarkar jong hangni. Ikhamni kemudian hangi kiru ke Shillong bat ke Congress.